You all know, either because you've acted in one of the plays or because you've seen many of the plays that Mr. Bragan has directed, that he is remarkably talented at what he does. When I was a third former, I don't think I would have ever dreamed of envisioning for a play. I was quite reserved, very quiet in all of my classes, and the idea of standing on this stage was pretty horrifying to me. Looking back, I actually think I signed up for Mr. Bragan's drama workshop class because I had this idea that we would be sitting around a table reading plays or something. Somehow I was surprised to find myself on the stage, acting, doing improvisation, studying drama here on the stage. I went out for the play in my fourth form year, really just because my friends were doing it. I can't tell you how terrified I was when I was cast as the lead that year in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. But what I can tell you, what I am up here to tell you, is the way that Mr. Bragan helped me discover my own talents by doing that. His talent helped me to discover and develop my own. And I know that he has done the same for many of you and for countless alumni. He helped me discover another side of myself, made me confident in front of others, and capable of public speaking, a skill that I strive to use every day as a teacher now. Truly, his cheerful optimism and creative vision, his generosity, are such a privilege to witness firsthand, and I cannot thank him enough for the energy that he continues to pour into the work of mentoring his students and actors every single day. I have no doubt that Mr. Bragan's 50th show this evening will be nothing short of fantastic. I know that I speak on behalf of the entire Portsmouth Abbey community, Mr. Bragan, when I say thank you and congratulations.
Before coming to the Abbey, acting was a great area for me. I had done classes at home and wasn't sure if I wanted to continue it, but I had realized that I wanted to my third form year when I took Mr. Bragan's drama workshop class. I had no idea what to expect in that class. I wasn't too sure about taking it, but after the first week, I did not regret the decision. Acting in the spring play my fifth form year was definitely something that was outside of my comfort zone, and if it wasn't for Mr. Bragan's drama workshop class and his confidence in me to do the play, I don't think I would have ever done it. Mr. Bragan has taught me a lot and has taken the shy person I was and helped me come out of my shell, allowing me to come to the realization that this is something I wanted to continue beyond my Portsmouth Abbey career. Mr. Bragan and his work makes the school a better place overall. Your help and gratitude has made me become a better actor, and I never would have been able to do that without you. Thank you for all the hard work you do with these productions and everything you've done for this school. The Abbey is a better place with you in it. And now please enjoy this short video as a congratulations and a tribute to Mr. Bragan's last 49 shows.